You want to flip a house, but you don't have any money to get started. Is it even feasible? Yes, but it's not a magic trick. You use other people's money instead of your own. Today, we're going to break down the actual, secure methods as well as the significant risks you need to be aware of beforehand. You need to know this before we continue. I am not your accountant, lawyer, or financial advisor. This video is solely intended for educational purposes. It's dangerous to flip houses, and it can be even riskier if you don't have any of your own money. It's possible that you'll lose money. A professional should always be consulted before making any decisions. What does no money actually mean then? It does not imply that everything is free. It indicates that you are paying with a different currency. You are exchanging your expertise, your diligence, and your well-thought-out plan for money. You spot the opportunity, oversee the project, and someone else pays for it. Your greatest investment is there are three primary strategies. Strategy 1 is the hard money loan. A hard money loan is similar to a costly short-term cash rental. Because they are confident in the property's potential for profit, a private lender provides you with the funds to purchase and repair the house. Speed is the main benefit. You can get the money quickly. The price is a major drawback. You only have a few months to complete the work and sell the house before you start losing money, and the interest rates are extremely high. Strategy 2 is the partnership. Sweat equity for capital. A partnership is a straightforward transaction. You don't have any money, but you have the plan and the skills. Although your partner has the money, they lack the time and expertise to manage the project. You manage the entire flip and find a good deal. They supply the funds. You both split the profit when the house sells. A written agreement outlining each party's responsibilities and the distribution of funds is essential for success. Strategy 3 is creative financing. Seller financing lease options. Dealing directly with the home seller is known as creative financing. The seller serves as the bank rather than you obtaining a loan from one. You commit to repaying them gradually, frequently with interest. If the seller has a strong desire to sell quickly, this might work. The advantage is that you might be able to get around a bank's stringent regulations. Due to the complexity of these transactions, it is imperative that a real estate attorney draft a contract in order to safeguard all parties. Take these steps before you even consider money. Get educated first. Learn how to precisely calculate repair costs and profits by reading books. Secondly, assemble your team. Locate a reputable attorney and real estate agent. Practice comes in third. Examine numerous homes on paper without making a purchase. The true secret to finding a loan or a partner is knowledge, which this plan helps you develop. In conclusion, you have three options: a partner, a hard money loan, or creative seller financing. However, keep in mind that no money down does not equate to no risk. In reality, it implies that you are spending other people's money, which carries a great deal of responsibility. You risk losing your partner's trust in addition to the deal if you make a mistake. Your most valuable tool is your knowledge. Please support the growth of our channel if this video was useful. For more understandable financial advice, click the like button below and subscribe for Monetive. Let me know what you think is the most confusing aspect of real estate. In the comments section below, share your biggest query with me. Our next video may focus on your query. Thank you for viewing.